Hi, this is Ross from VSM. In this video we'll be touching on how to set up a simple ping test for a server or end device. The reason we've included this functionality, it's quite useful for situations when you're just monitoring traps from a particular device. And the situation that you want to deal with is when that device goes down or loses connectivity. Of course, at that point it either can't generate traps or the traps aren't delivered to the VSM appliance and we don't know about it. So it's kind of a keep alive up-down test that we've included at ping level. So to enable this, we go into Service Desk, Equipment Locations. We pick an appliance, so in this case the Antares appliance. Go into Manage Services, and in Unified Comms we have network connectivity. So in the connectivity configuration, in here there'll be several entries already. We're suggesting that you would, for each of your servers or applications you have under management, that you create one of these ping tests. Would be good practice. In this case we're going to add the Agile Session Manager. And it is on 172.17.225.7. On the next page here, on the second tab, we've got a number of parameters around those pings. It's going to work fine for us at default. The default settings, every minute try to ping that device, and we've got settings around here that dictate the number of, or the parameters around the response. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave this at default because it'll work fine. Make sure we click Send Alarm on Failure. So what that's going to do, very simply, every 1 minute the on-site appliance is going to ping these IP addresses. In the case of the one we just added here, the Agile Session Manager, on 172.17.225.7. Now if it doesn't receive a response inside those ping parameter timings, it will create an alarm. And the alarm will appear in here in Availability Manager under View Alarms. So that will be raised as a Sev2 alarm in your alarm panel and be passed either via API to your ticketing system or it will be generate an email. We can see here that the severity type raised as 2. So what I did on this first line here is prior to making this video, is that I added one as ROS test with an invalid IP address, one that didn't exist. And we can see here that that occurred 5 times and was raised as severity 2. So we're getting no alarms raised by the Agile Session Manager that I just administered, so that's all good. That's running away there in the background. And as I say, if we do lose connectivity to that Session Manager or the Session Manager goes down for some reason, we're going to be aware of that within a minute. So I hope you found this video interesting. And as I say, we recommend that you do this for every server that you're supporting. Cheers.